Hi, this is Dr. Chris Goobles here, and with our video blog. And today I'm talking about something that's kind of a newer topic. It's something called epigenetics. And the blog is really about, how much of your health is controlled by your genes and how much of it's lifestyle. Because I hear that all the time. Most people blame a lot of their health problems on three things: either bad genes, or bad luck, or bad bugs. The reality of it is most of your bad health comes from bad decisions. Yes, there is a component your genes play. You can be more predisposed to certain things, but it's not so much your genes, it's how your genes are turned off or on. And the analogy I like to give is your genes are like your genetic blueprint. They're just like a recipe book, and how you live determines which of those recipes you will or will not express. We know all problems really need two things. They need an initiator, has to be turned on, and it needs a promoter. And that's literally what your lifestyle choices do, because it goes signals from the environment, how you eat, how you move, how you think, things like that tells the genes what to do and determines which genes are going to be turned on and which ones are going to be turned off. And then depending on which genes are turned off or on, that determines, what messenger RNA is made and what proteins, enzymes, whatever your body's going to make for that. So yes, your genes do play a component, but what we know in this new field of epigenetics, the larger part is that your lifestyle determines how your genes are actually expressed. So read the blog. There's a book by Bruce Lipton that I mentioned. I think I got a copy of his book right here. In his book, Biology of Belief. If you have any questions about epigenetics or you want to learn more about how this works, it's a great read for doctor, patient, anyone. I highly recommend reading that. Dr. Bruce Lipton, Biology of Belief. Read that book, and please email me with any questions you'd have. But enjoy the blog, and remember, it's ultimately your choice in how you eat, move, and think that determines your overall expression of health, or lack thereof.